Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to look at a unique product. Basically, this is not something new. This is very old. Now this is known as the magic charger. So this is what was used in olden days, or not olden days, like 5-6 years back. This was very famous because if your phone's charging port goes bad, or the phone stops charging your battery properly, then what you used to do is you used to take out the battery from the phone, put it into this device, and then charge it externally. So a lot of people had two batteries for their phone. So one they'll charge it with this, one is charged with the phone. So all these things used to happen. Then came the era of non-removable battery. So this kind of went down. So people don't use this anymore. But this one is a unique product. This is old technology mixed with new technology. So let me just show you what that means. Now this is a magic charger. So what a magic charger does is you just put a battery in. Let me just find a battery for you actually. Okay. So you take a battery, check the plus minus over here. The plus minus indicator is here. You'll have to just move it accordingly. Now whichever side the battery is, the point is, you just point it towards that. So I'll put the plus and the minus like that, and then you put it for charging. So just open this up, and then you just put it for charging, and it'll start charging it. Hopefully this stays straight. Okay, so you align the battery, put it in, switch it on. Now it'll start charging the battery. Let me just see. Okay, so it's charging. So now right now unfortunately I picked a battery which is 100% full, so it's showing you 100%, but it has 25, 50, 75 and 100, 4 LEDs. So depending on how much the battery is charged, the LED will keep moving ahead. So that's something unique that you didn't have with the older ones. Secondly, why I bought this is because in case I don't want to use it for this, I want to use it for regular charging. Let me just show you that too. Okay, so in case I want to use it for regular charging, so this is a type C. I'll just put the type C cable in. There is a USB port on it, so I'll just connect the USB cable and then connect this to the phone. Now you can see it's charging. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, so it's charging. So this is a charger, so you can use it as a regular charger, and in case there's an emergency, your phone is dead, your battery is not charging, or something like that happens, just take the battery, plug it in here, and it will charge the battery as well. So it's a 2-in-1 combo. I really like the concept of magic charger. It's just that because of phones like these, all the newer phones that I have, you cannot remove the battery, so this is not used anymore. But in case you have issues with any battery at all, not only phone battery, some other device battery which can actually fit in this slot, then you can charge it with this. Build quality. Now the build quality on this is solid. Now this is not flimsy. This is very solid. It's thick plastic. Now it's not in the premium range, but it is pretty solid and sturdy. Especially this, if you look at this, it really has a good spring action on it. It's not flimsy, it does not move, does not shake, it's actually standing straight. So this is what I have a problem with most of the devices. This thing always goes loose and then doesn't fit properly, so that's good. Even this, the spring is pretty strong, and the entire clasp mechanism is pretty strong, so I really like that. This one also is I'm okay with this. It's not very, now if you see this, it's a little flimsy, but maybe it's supposed to be that way so that it can adjust properly with the battery when you plug that in. But the only problem I found was this one being flimsy. I really don't know if this is actually working because all four were lit up. I don't know if they are actually working, but build quality wise, I really like it. So all in all, excellent device. And the price for this was 150 rupees in the China market. I don't know how much will it be outside. It'll be a little more expensive, maybe around 250 to 450, somewhere around that range. So in case you are interested in buying something like this, you can buy this. But this one is from Riviera, and it's an Indian company, and the products that I've actually used for them, they're still working. They have not gone bad as yet. So if it goes bad, then I will be putting that in the description or making a video for that later on. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.